Okay, today I'm going to be showing you where the fuses are located on this Toro Timecutter Z4200. That's a Timecutter Z4200. And there's not a lot of fuses and they're easy to get to. And they're located underneath the seat. Flip this up and show you. So with the seat flipped up, if you look right here, these are your fuses. On this model we have two right here. And you have a relay right here. Now if you try to start your machine and it's not starting, this is something really easy and quick to check to see if it's an issue. And it's going to be this first fuse right here. And so let me do a little demonstration. So if you're on your machine and you're trying to start it, make sure your sticks are pressed all the way out. You go to start it and you don't hear anything. One of the first things you can check is your fuse. So if you go back here and flip the seat up, check this first fuse right here. I've already pulled it out, so it's going to be pretty easy to pull out. And use a pair of pliers or something, pinch it and pull it out. If you look, you can see the fuse is damaged. Set it down where you can see it. See where it's melted and causing some issues. And so sometimes just testing the fuse isn't the best thing, because it might test well but you might have an issue like this and it can damage your fuse block. So it's a quick video. I want to show you where the fuse is, what the potential problem could be when it blows, and how easy it is to replace. So if you're a little new to working on mowers and you're not familiar with troubleshooting, just check your fuse. It's easy, it's quick. And so if we replace this fuse, I'll show you, it just starts right up. All right, so with that fuse replaced, we're gonna set this seat back down. So sometimes it can be that simple. I hope it is for you guys. And if you need more help troubleshooting these things, just look through my channel for other videos. That's it. Take care.